past 2 years we've been travelling around the UK in our little camper van just for ourselves.
And we've had some incredible adventures. We've learnt so much along the way. We've also made loads of mistakes, and we kept thinking we should be filming this.
So that's what this is. We finally decided to pick up the camera and bring you along on our journey with us. My name's Simon.
And my name's Sonya, and welcome to our brand new channel, 2 Pups, 1 Van.
Come up to Dunstanton for the day because it was a nice day, and yeah, now it's not. Yeah, that spot's going on out there. Lovely day. Yeah, so we've been from Cornwall up to Scotland then, haven't we, over the last couple of years?
Beautiful cliffs of Cornwall and wonderful glens.
The glens of Scotland. Yeah, so we've been from Land's End up to the Isle of Skye, but we've got some ideas where we want to go going forward. But if you've got any ideas, what places you might like to see,
places you've been that are
places
dog
you've been that
friendly.
you really liked that are dog friendly, then
Always looking for inspiration.
let us know in the comments and we'll add them to the list.
Yeah.
Very mobile, would you just up and go somewhere if the weather's nice, or if it isn't? When the kids were younger, Sonya used to take the kids on holiday and I stayed at home with the dogs. And we had the other dogs. But now the kids are all grown up. They do their own holidays, don't they? So we come and then we can take the dogs with us.
You like going on holiday, isn't
Very
it?
excited, don't you, Ted?
Get excited about holiday bus.
All excited. Too excited, some would say. Yeah. Even though it said on the weather thing when we got out of the car, it's supposed to pour with rain pretty much all morning
Rain and worse rain.
until afternoon sometime, but it's actually starting to put it now.
We've had that here before, haven't we? We've been walking down in pouring rain and then
And
it's
that's
just
in
all...
nice sunshine.
Yeah,
You can see
and
it
then we've had it
lighting
into
up.
ourselves because everyone else hasn't come out.
Yeah, we do like this place, don't we? We've had it for a long time now, haven't we?
We actually
It's only an hour and a half, couple of hours away from home, so
love the pair of dogs we have with our German Shepherds who still love coming here as well.
yeah, we used to love the beach. Whenever we get a weekend free or get a week's leave or something, we can just pack up and have a zippy little adventure. We like to keep moving, don't we? We don't stay anywhere too long.
No, I'm a bit bored. We stay somewhere too
A couple
long.
of nights maximum, really. So, you know, and that's as long as we've got plenty of stuff on the doorstep over there.
Yeah, and then if we really like it, we just go back.
On the plus side, coming when it's raining, very quiet.
I was just thinking exactly the same, although this beach don't get that busy anyway.
No, it's quite a big beach, isn't it? We're along a few miles from the main Hunstanton town. We've come to the nature reserve. We've come to the nature reserve, which is, I mean, we sort of think that we'd rather give them the money for parking than some parking company. But yeah,
We'd like to get out, it don't really matter the weather as long as you're dressed for it, which clearly
which
we're not.
we haven't. Had to quickly buy an umbrella.
Hence their birds. But we're now going to let it live in the van, so we'll be better
So
prepared.
always have an umbrella handy. These are the things you find, don't you? Every now and again you find you need something.
Just had an idea of another van essential pack-a-mac.
Yeah, a little fold away raincoat. Got some waterproof trousers in there.
Some crystal trousers and that
Maybe.
jacket.
They could get worse. Yeah, to do some good stuff. You go take the dogs with you, you sort of end up going to places that aren't particularly touristy,
We like to preferably get away from people.
because you can't go there with dogs anyway, so we look for places where we can go. And then you end up going to some really nice scenic places, don't you?
Hmm.
Like here.
Yeah, we prefer what nature has to offer.
And that was our Saturday morning adventure to Holme Beach. It really does prove our theory.
But you don't need a lot of time to have a brilliant adventure. You just need to get out there and find it.
It got us thinking, what's the best trip you've ever managed to squeeze into a single day? Let us know your stories in the comments, we'd love to read them.
If you enjoyed our very first video, a like would mean the world to us, and please subscribe to join our pack so you don't miss what's coming next.
And because that trip was just the warm-up, the main event starts right now. Click here to watch episode 2, where we pack the van for our big UK road trip and head to the incredible Benner Beach in Wales.